Yeah, that hill led to the triple diamond super hard part of 7-Up that there was no way I was going down. So we'll turn around, we'll go back up that hill we just came and go back down past those guys on the quads and head down that other side of the trail. Okay, we're gonna head back up that hill because I'm not going down that sketchy part of 7-Up. Let's hope I can get up this hill. Whoa, we're blowing white smoke. That transmission's not happy. Alright, we're not, that's not great. We're gonna back down here. Oh shit. Boy, this thing has been running so well all day too. Try this again, slow and steady, and see what happens. No need to try to ram up it. I don't know if it tried to switch gears or what happened, but it started blowing white smoke like crazy. Okay, I think we've gotten to a good enough point we can try to winch the rest of the way up. Okay, we winched back up the hill. Sabrina ran the winch line, I ran the truck. I definitely got the easy part of that deal. But now we're back up it. No amount of gearing is a substitute for traction, because it don't matter how much traction you have, you ain't moving forward. But we did climb back up that. Now we're going to go down the correct part of 7-Up and continue on our day. This is the part of 7-Up that was closed that time a couple videos ago. Let's see if they got all the trees and stuff cleared. Looks like they do, because I see tire tracks. So. Is that trail? Oh yeah, you know what? I think this connects with that other side. I think we want to go that way. I think this will take us back up where we just came from. I think.
Okay. The downhill part that we didn't take?
Yeah, the downhill side we didn't take. part was all treed, and we got stuck with the snow drifts and stuff. Because I didn't see where that trail exited, so it must connect to that. That's my new theory. This is the trail we took last time with Austin and those guys. And we had to turn around like right in this area here. And we had snow drifts and all that stuff. It's on the channel, a couple videos back. Yeah, well, we didn't want to go down that way. We're gonna run hogs back, just this uphill section really quick. Again, this is another hill that was full throttle all the way up. Now that we got the gears in it, we're gonna run it at half throttle and see what happens. Maybe even quarter throttle. That is so nice, having those gears in there. They make a world of difference. Thanks for watching, gang. We're going to end the video here. I highly recommend the 4 224 gears from Low Range. I believe they're Trail Tough. Or I'm sorry, Trail Gear. Anyways, whoever they are, I'll let you know. But man, those are nice. They really changed a lot. It's like a whole new rig when you put it into 4 low. Now, I'm going to order twin sticks tomorrow because I think that that'll really make it a lot better. So, thanks for watching, guys. Transmission did good too. So, I say so a lot. I don't know why. Alright. Follow along. Trash Panda Off-Road on the Instagram. Put your comments down below.